Good morning. Okay, this is going to be the last worksheet for this unit. Well, the last new material before you do your review. So just like the other two from last week, two different types of angles. You have same side interior and you have linear pairs. And both types of angles add up to 180. So this is going to be same side interior. Like you can see, they're inside the parallel lines, interior, and they're on the same side of the transversal. So again, you have your two parallel lines, and this line that cuts down the middle, that's our transversal. So these are same side interior. Again, they're inside the parallel lines, that's why they're interior, and they're on the same side as the transversal. Okay, so when you're doing 3 and 4, you're just finding the missing angle measure, knowing that the two together add up to be 180. So you'll have 117 plus x equals 180. So 180 minus whatever 180 minus 117 will get you this missing angle right here, because you know together they need to add up to 180. Same thing with these two. These need to add up to 180. Okay, down on 5 and 6, you're just going to set it up. 10x plus 15 plus 75 equals 180. Okay, 15 and 75 are like terms, so you need to combine those together. So you'll have 10x plus 90 equals 180. Minus 90 to both sides. Divide both sides by 10 will get you x. Okay, and then the same thing for here. 5x plus 15 plus 110 equals 180. Okay, that's the difference with these ones. With same side interior, you know the sum of the two angles is 180. So they're not congruent. It's not like last week's. Okay, they add up to 180. For 7 through 10, you're finding the missing angle measure. So you need to solve for x and then plug them back in to get the missing angle measure. So you do just like you did on 5 and 6, or 5 and 6, find x. Then once you get x, plug it back in to get the missing angle measures. So for number 7, 12x plus 10 plus 5x equals 180. Your like terms are 12x and 5x, so you need to combine them together to make 17x plus 10 equals 180. Minus 10 to both sides, divide both sides by 17 and you'll get x. Okay, whatever x equals, plug it back in to get this angle measure in this one. The second page are linear pairs. Linear pairs are just two angles that are like right next to each other that add up to be 180 because they obviously make a straight line. So if you look at these two, x and y, together they make a straight line, so they're going to add up to be 180. Okay, same thing for all four of these. Okay, they're right next to each other, add up to be 180. So for 15 and 16, you're finding the missing angle measure. Remember, this little box means a 90-degree angle. So if they add up to be 180 and this one's a 90, you know this one's going to be 90 as well. Okay, if this one's 101, you need to find this one. And you know together they equal 180. So 101 plus that missing angle is going to equal 180. Minus 101 to both sides, you'll get your missing angle measure. Okay, same thing for 17 and 18. They are a linear pair. They're right next to each other. They add up to be 180. Make a straight line. Together they make a straight line. So 13x plus 4x plus 10 equals 180. Your like terms are 13x and 4x, which makes 17x plus 10 equals 180. And then solve for x. Same thing here. This is 90, okay? So you have your negative 10 plus 10x plus 90 equals 180, because this angle plus this angle, and this is 90. Okay, and I know together they equal 180, so solve for x. And then on these last two, you're going to plug them back in once you solve for x to get the missing angle measure. So you know this plus this equals 180. Solve for x, and then take that x and substitute it in to get your missing angle measures. And then same thing with number 20. Okay, so this is going to be the last new assignment, like new type of angles, and then I'm going to post a review that has all the types of angles from last week and this week, and then you'll have your group test. So that'll be the 3 things you need to get done this week, and if you could just get them done by Friday, that would be great. You know I'm here to help you. If you need anything, just reach out either via Remind or School Loop, and I'll get back to you right away. Talk to you soon. Miss you guys. Bye.